Remember the Cybertruck explosion in America on New Year's which led to the death of one person? This was apart from, in total, 3 incidents that had taken place. The Cybertruck blast that took place, according to our information coming in, the suspect used the AI program ChatGPT to plan the attack. Absolutely incredible. Is this also about a certain misuse of the artificial intelligence that's long been now debatable? A 6-page manifesto was found on the suspect's phone, expressing grievances, indicating that the attack was also intended as a suicide. So, according to what the investigators are right now revealing, that it looked more like a suicide. It wasn't aimed at harming others, unlike what we saw at the Bourbon Street, where the attempt was clearly to target innocent people. Gaurav Sawant, our managing editor, joining me for the latest on that. Gaurav, this is quite a bizarre turn, isn't it? And dangerous as well. How can AI ChatGPT be used to possibly plan an attack, suicide that did lead to death of one person as well?
This indeed is a big case under investigation in the United States of America, and perhaps the first of its kind, according to the sheriff, who very clearly said that prima facie, it does appear that this individual was deeply upset. He was extremely upset by the manner in which America had very weak leadership. And he said all the actions that he had undertaken, there's a 6-page manifesto that the attacker or the individual who was an active U.S. Army soldier, he leaves behind. 1, talking about weak American leadership, and 2, about all that goes through his mind and it plays in loop. But the use of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, to figure out how to use explosives, how to ensure that the kind of terminal velocity that's required for a massive explosion can take place, and that it doesn't just lead to a fire. How does he ensure that there's racing fuel that's used to ignite that fire? And the individual himself, when he took that Cybertruck on rent, the aim was to cause a massive blast. He apparently himself died of gunshot, self-inflicted gunshot injuries, according to initial reports that are coming in. But America is now deeply worried. Law enforcement agencies are concerned about how artificial intelligence is being used to make an improvised explosive device, how easy it is for people to acquire explosives that are required. In this case, it was fireworks to make a bomb, and whether artificial intelligence can be used, that in case somebody is using this kind of use of AI, then authorities can be alerted by the manufacturers of the software. All of this is currently under investigation and exploration right now, Pooja.
Some good points you make there, Gaurav. One, why shouldn't the software also have these alarms put in? Why was somebody possibly planning or trying to search with these keywords? And importantly, how easy are these explosives available to be able to just attach to a Cybertruck and explode in front of the Trump Tower? This is something that the investigators are looking at. And is there a bigger challenge that the USA has at hand and are completely in denial about?